Many have requested my opinion on the use of a massage gun, therefore I bought one and I tested it for you. Welcome, I'm Olivier Girard, ergonomist, posture therapist, author of the Posture Manual and creator of the Posture Academy. My first problem was how to choose one. Well, to be very transparent, I chose one that was in the average price with what I perceived as being the most versatility. That is, many speeds and many accessories. When I received it, I was extremely surprised by the fact that the user manual is extremely concise, whilst I perceived that the thing had enough strength to create some damage. And this intuitive thought proved to be correct. I mean, recently I was training medical doctors, and one of them cited this article in which there's a case reported of a artery dissection due to the use of massage gun. So clearly we're not talking about the massage gun always dissecting your arteries. That's not the discussion. The discussion is there's this risk, and whilst the device is super accessible and cheap, well, the user manual is fairly short, say. After some months of testing it, well, here is my conclusion. The thing can be useful. I have used it recently on leg pain and after injuring my shoulder on the martial arts training, and that really helped. So it can be useful if used well. But now there are some mistakes that you shouldn't do. So here is what you should be aware. Number one, stay away from all the areas in which you have superficial vessels. That includes the neck, front, basically collarbones, until at least the posterior part of your neck, and I would be very, very careful with the neck in general. The inner thighs, the inner arms, at least all that, and armpits. All that you don't massage. Number two, unless you exactly know what you're doing, stay away from the very aggressive heads. You see, these things will concentrate the pressure on a small area and therefore increase the risk of damage. After a month of trial, I'm still using the big head, which is also softer surface, so the one that minimizes the pressure. Number three, unless you have a good reason to do so, avoid pressure perpendicular to the skin. That's called shocks. Rather, go parallel to your skin. Not necessarily here, but here or there. You see, not here, but there. Number four, don't massage in direction of the joints, but rather away from the joints. Joints don't like shocks. And number five, don't shake your brains too much. When you use it on your neck, you do feel that it shakes the brains a bit. It's okay for a few seconds, but don't make it a daily habit for hours. And number six, I really think it's worth, when you buy that thing, to book a one-on-one session with your physical therapist who can, teach you how to use it, where, and how you can minimize potential damage.